So that's what it looks like down the street. Now up our beautiful walkway that Fran cleared. I cleaned off the cars. There's Fran's car. Around here. He hasn't quite gotten the end of the driveway done. Well, that's going to be quite a task. Neighbors haven't started theirs. It's down the street, up the street. A little pathway down in the driveway. There's my car. Decent job. Oh. Still some work to do here. Snowblower. See if I can get around here. Backyard. Whoa. Oh no, look at the Adirondack chairs. Guess we won't be sitting in those for a while. Those are the stairs that go down to the deck.